If you're interested in a 1970s vintage pickle recipe, then you're going to want to keep watching. Hey friends, it's Kelly M. Welcome back to Mama Needs a Goal. Thank you so much for joining me today. And if you're new here, welcome, welcome. So friends, you probably noticed the background's a little bit different. I'm here at my parents' today, and I am shooting this video. It is, as you all know, if you've been following me, I like to do once a month a vintage recipe. And since it's National Pickle Month, I found this recipe and I have no clue. It was just floating around on Pinterest. It's called Judy Latham's Saucy Dilly Dugouts. I think at one time, I'm not quite sure who she is. I'll look it up and put it in the description box. But apparently she worked with Heinz and made this recipe. It sounds very interesting. It's from the 70s. And I thought, you know what? It's pickle month. It's vintage. Let's do it. So Dad is going to be taste testing this with me today. And he's like, I'm going to be honest. I'm like, whoops. I'm like, I want you to be honest. We'll see if Mom will taste test it. I don't know if she will, because it's a little different of a recipe for sure. So we'll make it, do a quick taste test, and then decide whether if we should keep it or throw it back to the 70s. So let me stop talking, turn the camera down, go over all the ingredients real quick, and then we'll go ahead and put it together. All right, my friends, we have some hot dogs. We have a ½ pound of hot dogs chopped finely. I have 2 whole dill pickles we're going to cut in half. I'm just making a small, this actually is a batch for a couple of them, but I'm just using 2 pickles since it's just Dad and I doing a taste test. I have some ketchup, mustard, Worcestershire sauce, obviously the whole dill pickles. I have some chopped onion and some cheddar cheese. And friends, that is it. That's all it is. So let me go ahead and put this together and do this taste test. And just the FYI, I do not like ketchup. All right, my friends, so as you saw, I did a lot of prep work ahead of time already. So I have my recipe laid out here, and then we're gonna go ahead and put it all together. So let's get started. All right, my friends, so I have a ½ pound of hot dogs here, all chopped up, nice and fine. Throw that in there. All right, so I have a ½ cup of grated cheddar cheese, and I have 2 teaspoons of finely diced onion. So I'm gonna go ahead and add that in there as well. I think I have a little bit more cheese than that just because I like cheese. All right, and then I'm gonna put that aside real quick. And then I'm gonna cut down the center of my dill pickles. And I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I could not, oh, this one's, I'll just use it anyway. I could not find whole dill pickles in the refrigerated section or in the thing. I was having a hard time finding them whole in the store. It was so bizarre. So what you wanna do, these are kind of small, is just scoop out the center. I don't have my little scooper thingy that I use at home. Okay. This pickle was cut off at the end. My goodness. Even my pickle's not. All right. Okay. So I'm just scooping all that out. Just like that. Oh my goodness. I don't have my scraper that I normally use. So I'm improvising. The pickles are small too. They're not very large. So you know what? That's going to be as good as it gets. And then we're just going to finely chop the pickles. The center of the pickles. Throw those in there. And then we're going to throw that in here as well. Okay. I have a ½ cup of ketchup. We're gonna put this in here. And friends, can I just say, I don't like ketchup. Take some yellow mustard. We're gonna add a ½ teaspoon of yellow mustard. And then a half a teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce. And friends, that is all the ingredients that's going in here. I'll take a quick look. That's it. All right, we're gonna mix it up really good and then stuff our pickles. All right, my friends, we're gonna go ahead and mix this up. I gotta, oh, y'all. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, guys. I don't know about this. I seriously don't know about this. All right, I'm gonna, I don't know. I'm gonna stuff these and then we're gonna do a quick taste test. All right, here we go. I'm gonna be honest with you. This does not at all look appetizing. All right, there's one. As you can see, this makes a lot. Two. Oh my gosh. And 3. There we go. Alrighty, let's head over to the table and do a taste test. Alright friends, so pop in here, pop, Pop is here, and here are these dugout boats, and we're gonna taste them. I told him it was a good thing that he's blind, because if he saw what these looked like, he probably wouldn't eat them. And he's like, are they that bad? My mother's like, yeah. And I won't tell you what she said it looked like. All right, you ready, Dad?
Yeah.
Can you see where the... I'm gonna let you go first.
Did you taste it?
Not yet.
I'm getting ready.
Alright, he's not oohing yet.
How much either.
What are your thoughts? Alright, I'm gonna try it.
We got about 20 of them to eat.
Oh! No! 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 I don't like ketchup, and it is so much ketchup. Dad took another bite. You're not saying, oh my gosh, the taste. Oh my god, he ate the whole thing. Do you like them?
Not as bad as you think it is. I agree with you, just a little too much ketchup.
Oh.
Cut back on the ketchup.
Cut back on the ketchup?
Yeah.
And you think people like them?
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Now you got tears in your
I know. There was a lot of ketchup. That was way too much ketchup. Way too much ketchup.
You used 1/3, didn't you? You know what you used?
Was I supposed to do 1/3 or a 1/4 cup? Did I use too much ketchup?
You said 1/3.
Okay,
A third,
guess what?
Third mustard, third cut of ketchup.
Hold on. All right, I did follow the ingredients. I used the right amount.
If you like pickles,
If you like ketchup, you probably will like it.
yeah.
But I definitely think, as you said, cut back on the ketchup, because I don't like ketchup. I don't eat ketchup.
Mhm.
That was like, oh,
Well, people like ketchup. Well, they might
Yeah,
want
they
more
might
ketchup,
like it.
yeah.
Yeah. So if you're a ketchup eater, this might be perfect for you. As you can see, Dad's enjoying it.
Well,
Mom,
I
no.
know you're not going to eat it. So
I'm not gonna eat. I got a whole bowl of this stuff over there. What if you put that on bread with a slice of pickle on it? Like make a sandwich out of it and instead of putting it in a pickle, put the mixture on bread and then put a slice of pickle on top
A slice of pickle on top of the pickle?
of the sandwich.
Oh.
Instead of stuffing the pickle with, because I got a whole bowl of that mixture, you make a sandwich out of it and then put a slice of pickle on top.
What do you have chopped up then?
It's hot dog, onion, the inside of the pickle that I scooped out, and cheese.
Oh.
All right, friends, that'll do it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, that's okay too.
If you get a good laugh.
At least you got a good laugh, as Mom said. Don't forget to hit that little subscribe button, as it does greatly help me out. What were you going to say?
Well, I'm eating it.
He's eating it. And also go check me out over on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and TikTok, as I am active on all those social media sites as well. So friends, thanks so much, and I'll catch up with you next time. Bye. You say bye?
Bye.